Choppermatics made another one.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And we're gonna go ahead and get into drinks with Dreamy. So today we're gonna start off making the drink that I made, of course. It's called Drunken Love. I don't know if you guys seen it on TikTok or Facebook, but that's the drink that we're making. But the original name for the drink is called Love Poison. But I just went ahead and just changed the name. So yeah, I'm making this drink because Valentine's Day is coming up, and why not have a drink made for Valentine's Day? So yeah, and make sure y'all drop in the comments if y'all think I should start selling these drinks. Well, this is really for the people in Memphis, but yeah, let me know if y'all think I should start selling these drinks. Like, they are really good, and I really think that everyone should try it. So yeah. But anyway, right now I'm just cutting up some oranges for like garnishing. And I'm just really setting everything up right now as far as like getting the ice together to add into the shaker, so I won't have to worry about it. So yeah, that's really all I'm doing right now. So yeah, my goal is to get as many subscribers as possible, y'all. Like, y'all need to just go ahead and subscribe. Like, I don't know why y'all not subscribing. But yeah, we gonna work on it, It's nothing. I'm just keep being consistent as much as I can. And that's all I can do. So, but we're gonna try to make many drinks on here. But yeah, so right now, like I said, putting the ice in the shaker, getting everything together, setting up. But we're finna get ready to go ahead and get started. So let me go ahead and move everything so y'all can see it and just get everything out the way. So we're gonna start with Patron, and of course that's what's in the drink. So yeah, we're gonna put 1 shot of Patron in the jigger or whatever, and put the mixed drink, the Patron in the shaker basically. Ugh. But yeah, just 1 shot, that's all you need. And I'm gonna put on the side so y'all can see all the ingredients that I use. And excuse my background if y'all hear anything, probably the TV or tie or whatever. But yeah, so then you add in 2 shots of triple sec, just 2. That's all you really need. So that's 1, and then that is 2. And we're just gonna go ahead and put that on the side. And the next we're gonna add in is grenadine. We're gonna add 1 shot of grenadine. I don't know why y'all can't see my fingers, but yeah, we're gonna add in 1 shot of grenadine. So yeah, pour it in, and then we're gonna, oh my god, Ty's so loud. But yeah, we're gonna put the grenadine to the side, and we're gonna add in the pomegranate juice. Really, the original recipe has 5 shots, but in this video, I believe I put in 2 shots of pomegranate juice, 2 or 3, but you can make it to your liking. But the original recipe has 5 shots. So in this video, I put in 2 shots, as you can see. But when I made my mama's earlier today, I put in 2 shots of Patron for hers. So she talking about it's so strong. Really, it's not, but whatever. But I'm gonna put in 1 ounce of orange juice, Yep, 1 ounce of orange juice, spilled a little bit, but whatever. Put that to the side, and last but not least, we're gonna add in our lime juice. As soon as I can get the top on the orange juice. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna put in our lime juice, and that is 1 ounce of lime juice. Yep, just gonna fill that all the way up. I promise y'all, I'm sorry learning how to free pour. It's just kind of hard because my hand's so flicked, so yeah. I'm trying to get the free pouring down. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be so fancy when I do that. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and shake it up. Make sure you put the top on the shaker and hold it firmly, or everything will waste out. And you don't want that to happen. So you shake it up, and it's gonna get cold, like really cold. And then after that, you just pour it in your margarita glass and fill it up. I'm sorry if y'all hear Ty. He trying to eat while I'm trying to do this voiceover, and he getting mad. So yeah, just ignore him. But yeah, fill it all the way up. And then after that, you get your garnish. I'm using a orange, but you can use a lime. But I believe in the original recipe, they used the orange. So yeah, I'm gonna just use orange. And then after that, you just put it on the side. And that's that, y'all. And that is the Drunken Love mixed drink. And I hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Again, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned in. We're going to be making many more drinks. So, until then, like, comment, subscribe. Like, for real, y'all need to go and like, comment, and subscribe. Like, why are y'all not subscribing? Like, go subscribe. Like, now.
Damn, child, that shit slide.